Hey everybody, this is Shade and I'm going to be doing a tattoo video. I have two tattoos and I will show you both of them. But I'm not going to talk about the first one because I already have a video about it. You guys are probably like, what the fuck are you doing? No. Okay. Alright, I can't show you that one, so we're not even going to bother with that one. That one just never give up on my back. But the one I'm really going to be talking about is my lily flowers. And I will show you that. Hold up. And, yeah. About that one. I got that one about a month ago. Yeah, about a month ago. And, it represents something for me. It represents, through my depression stage. The little flower, small flower, is me when I started my depression. And I'm trying to reach the big flower. The big flower is like my goal. And, it's just a lot. It means a lot to me. Now, the pain tolerance of it, it hurt. I couldn't take it. I started crying. I was a complete pussy when it came to the pain for it. It was the most pain I've ever been in my whole entire life. So I suggest if you're going to get a tattoo there, at least think about it and think, is it worth the pain? Or if you are, get a small one because it hurts really bad. I wasn't even ready for the pain. I thought it was just going to be like my first one. My first one I took like a champ, but my second one, not so much. But yeah, it cost $150, and it means a lot to me, and people are like, oh, it's so ugly, and like, honestly, I don't know if you can see it that well, but it's not. That's the big flower, it's purple, and then the second flower is pink, and the first flower is blue. But I don't know if you can see it, so I'm just going to show you like this. Yeah. Oops. Okay. Alright. Well, I guess there's nothing really to talk about that much, but if you want any more questions about it, I will make another video about it. So, yeah, thanks for watching, and that's about my tattoo. Alright, bye.